Hello, welcome to Learning the Business of Landscape Design. This is Computer-Aided Drafting, and I am Dan Lee. Today we're going to talk about the very first episode in learning AutoCAD. And the first thing I always tell people when you're learning AutoCAD is to think of it as a DOS-based program. DOS was before Windows, before Apple iOS, before everything. And it was really keyboard-driven program. So using the F keys, using a bunch of key combinations was really how the computer first operated. So you got to kind of think about that as you're learning it. It'll help it make it a little bit less frustrating to learn. The program is getting better and more like a modern window-based program every year, which is just fantastic. But there's still some weird little things in there that if you haven't used a program before like this, it's a little bit unnerving. First thing I want you to do is find an icon somewhere so you can see the CAD icon, and then we're going to go into New. Just click down here and there should be an AutoCAD DWT file. So open that up. My screen is dark on the handouts. I have it as a lighter screen just so it has a little bit more contrast so you can see things a little bit better. To kind of walk you around the program, we have all the tabs that are at the top. Hiding up at this little red icon up here, you click way up at the top of the screen, which can be hiding for some people. That's where you can get to all your programs, your save. A bunch of things are hiding up there. Then you got the usual suspects up here, printing all that. The quick access toolbar are the tabs right here. Then we have the ribbon. So the ribbon is all of this area that's at the top and kind of that lighter gray color. And this will change depending on what tabs you click on. All that ribbon will change. There's a help menu up here where you can type in anything that you need help. Also, if you're in a command, and we'll cover this many times, you can press the F1 button and that will automatically give you specific help on the command you are working with. There's a sign in right here, so if you're not signed in and not able to access some things, you might need to sign in up there. There's also the minimize, maximize, and this is actually the program quit button up here. There's another X down below that is just the individual drawing close button. So that's some important things to look at. This is your workspace. So this is where you're going to be doing your drawings. I usually have this property tab open, but you don't have to have that open at this point, so you can have a little bit more workspace. You just click that off and then it's easy to get back. These right here will tell you what you have open, and then these are all the panels within each of the tabs here. So as you see, they change just depending on what tab you have. Down at the bottom of the screen, we have a couple things. You'll see that we are in model space right now. That's why this is a black screen. Please do not click on these yet. This will come in much later, but it's just good to know that they're there. We have a couple layouts down there. We have some more information at the bottom of the screen. These are all drawing aids. Just helps you navigate a little bit better. It tells you which screen you have open. So a lot of great information that we'll cover in depth. For right now, those are the things we need to kind of be focusing on. You can hover for a minute, and then if you hover longer, more information will come out. So let's get into home. Let's move into like the erase command. You hover, it'll say erase, and then if you leave it there longer, it'll give you a lot more information about how to erase and use that. As we mentioned, I'm just going to cover it one more time. This is how you close the program. This is how you close a drawing. So we're going to go ahead and close this drawing right now, and that is the first step into learning AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and please visit us at Learn Landscape Design on YouTube.